Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my brother. We have a ring light. We're gonna do an unboxing. So our lighting is gonna be quite bad. What are you doing again?
Not doing anything.
Okay, our lighting is gonna be quite bad. We do have vanity lights on. We do have natural lighting, but if you open it a little bit, you're gonna go ahead and see the glare. So we're gonna go be closing that. So yeah, I did recently purchase a ring light. I'll be leaving the seller in the description box. I did purchase this through Amazon. Now, one thing is, it did come in this huge box. Like, box with box. So we have another bigger box right here. So this is the Zomei, I believe that's how you pronounce it. The LED dimmable 18-inch ring light. This is my first ring light, so I really need it bad. So we're gonna do an unboxing and first impressions and building this big old thing. So if you want to see how it looks and how it works, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Wait, hold this. So it did came with this bag right here. So it does come with a stand, the adapter, the tripod right here, all in 2 boxes. So take out the tripod. I believe this was $84. I did have a $8 coupon that they they put right there while purchasing it. They gave me a $5 coupon or $4 coupon, so I believe this was $89.99. Yeah, it was $89.99, I believe, and I paid $84. So this is how the tripod looks like. Now, I was gonna purchase the newer ring light, but I've seen so many bad reviews on YouTube and on what the heck is this thing? Okay, I've just seen a lot of bad reviews on Amazon and on YouTube. Yeah. So I was like, I'm supposed to order something that's, I know it's gonna be a hit or miss. So this one did have pretty much good reviews. So I don't even know how tall I'm gonna do this thing. So you do get all this, and you can do it still a little bit taller, but I'm gonna just leave it like this for the sake of the video, and this is how tall I would do it for my videos. Like I said, you do get the thing, and this is how the ring light looks like. It already came with a filter on. Hold this, and I'm pretty much what?
Yeah.
Oh, I was supposed to say they put both filters on it. So on the filters, I know on the newer one you get like little pieces, but on this one, and there's not much reviews on this ring light. I try to, you have a big old circle on the newer ring light. I know you get like little pieces. So this came with both filters already. So this is the clear filter. I think you can separate these. I think you can. I'm not sure. I'm not even gonna okay, so yeah, on this one you can separate them, I think, and on the other one you can't. But you know what, I'm gonna just leave it like that. You do get a little thing right here where you can connect your phone. So I just opened the tripod, and this thing goes down. I just opened the tripod, and I don't think it's so much like hassle to build it. It's just this little screw thing right here. I feel like this thing is gonna tip over.
I don't think it goes there.
It goes right there. Okay. Whoa, okay, this thing is really sturdy. Okay, let me just put it a little bit facing towards my way. Okay, so far the assemble. So you just put this little ring light on here and just tighten it up right here, and it seems pretty sturdy. Okay, this thing looks pretty sturdy. The ring light, it's pretty big. And I was gonna go for the 18-inch, the 14-inch because it was cheaper. Good thing I didn't, because it wouldn't have been way smaller. So this is perfect. I thought it came with the little phone thing right here.
I don't know. I'm not sure it did. Check.
Oh, it's in here. So do check inside your bag. There's a little pouch, and the phone thing is in there. You do get instructions. There's a little pouch inside the pouch, and there's where you get all your instructions. But it's really easy. For the assemble was really easy. No instructions needed. And yeah, in there, I know a lot of people were complaining that they did not receive their phone holder. It's inside the bag. So you do get a phone holder. Now I do record with my phone, and we're gonna be trying it out in a bit. So what is this? Oh, I think this one is for your camera, or is it? So you do get a little piece like this. I don't know if this is for your camera or also for your phone. I believe it's for your camera. This is the first time I do this, so I'm not pretty sure what in the world these things are for. So yeah, I'm gonna just put it all there. I don't know, what am I doing? Okay, yeah, so I think this is pretty cool because I can face my phone. It can go all the way down, all the way up. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, it's pretty tight. No complaints. It's not, the light is just a little bit jiggly. I think that's fine. Okay, now the adapter. So I did only receive one adapter. I know some of them you received two. I just received one with the regular plug we use. And okay, so just hook it on there. You have the dim right here to turn it on, turn it off, and to dim it. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Switch my phone to the tripod and connect the ring light, see how it works, and turn off all the lights. Okay guys, so this is how pretty much it's dark during the day. So I did hook up my phone to the ring light. I'm pretty close to it, so we're gonna go ahead and try it on. Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh wow, that's really bright. I'm really close to it. So this is from far away. This is how bright it gets. This is the brightest setting right here, and I'm just standing away like a feet away from the ring light, and this is how bright it gets. I think this is pretty good from a distance. I don't know. So this is the highest setting, so I'm gonna just go ahead and dim it down little by little. So this is how much I would use it if I'm up close to the ring light. That is pretty bright, right?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is this is the lowest setting, so you just twist it however you want. So I would use this as maybe as the makeup tutorials, or like this. This is super bright. I think this looks pretty good on my camera, and I am using the front rear camera of my phone and just the highest. And I think from a distance this is pretty good if I'm doing like unboxings or something like that, but still you can kind of see that it's too much light unless I go a little bit further down. But other than that, this is how it works, and I hope I don't have problems with it. But so this is with the orange filter, which I think the orange filter looks way better. Does it?
Looks the same to me.
Oh, okay, so that's on the highest setting. You know what? I think with the orange filter it looks pretty good.
How good?
I don't know.
Better or worse than the regular one?
So I'm gonna just dim it little by little. This is on the lowest setting right here. And just keep going a little bit higher. This is like medium. And this is high. I think the orange filter looks way better.
I prefer the regular one.
Regular one?
Yeah.
What do y'all think? So far the assemble of the ring light was super easy. You just open your tripod. You can do it higher or lower, either way, however you want it. You just hook on the ring light, twist the little things, and put on your phone holder, which is inside the bag once more in case you do purchase this ring light. Like I said, it's dimmable. That's a big, huge plus because I was having problems with my old give me those, Jane.
Which
I'm
one?
gonna show y'all what I purchased. Those boxes.
This?
Yeah, I was using this as my lighting. I think these were like 25 bucks. So this is what I use. These are LED boxes and they are not dimmable. This would have been awesome if they were dimmable, but this is how sometimes my light was just so bad if I did not place it on the right way, or sometimes it will look good but it wasn't bright enough, and you know, it was just a hit or miss with these. So I regret not investing in a ring light. I just hope it just works with time because I haven't seen any bad reviews, but there's some people that with time their ring light stops working. But with this one, I'll just update it with y'all, do another video in case it does happen. But so far I do love it. For $84, I think it was a good investment. I really needed one and I'm excited about it. I do recommend the 18-inch one. Just because if you're a beauty guru, if you're just doing beauty videos and all that stuff, I think an 18-inch will be so good for you. I do have a small room space, so I think this one's gonna be kind of hard to place it to the side and assemble every time I'm, you know, recording, but I think I'm gonna just leave it on like that and just have it to the side or something. Yeah, so far I do love it. I do recommend it, and I'll go ahead and leave it on the description box if y'all want to check it out. So y'all have any questions, go ahead and leave me in the comments below. I did use Amazon Prime, so it only took 2 days, so I did place my order on Friday. Arrived today, Sunday, and this video is going up as soon as I finish this video up, so y'all can go ahead and check it out. Other than that, I think it was pretty much worth it. And yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and see you on the next video. I do have a whole bunch of videos to record now. We don't have to worry about lighting, so I hope everything goes right. I'll see y'all later.